Hey guys, it's Mimi, and today, and here are my fidgets. So, let's get started. So, yeah, right, so the first door we are going to start with will be this one. It is very cool. So, actually, shall we start with the fuller one? The fuller. Because yeah, some of these aren't actual like real fidgets, but it's named fidgets. Wait, what's it getting? It's there and it's there. Let's take this out. Yeah. Right. This is what's causing. These things are what's causing the problem. It's this one that's causing the problem. Right, so now we can put them back in because we take the other. Yes, no, we're not going to be organizing these. I'll do that in the future. Bye-bye. So, it's going to be a very long video. So, the first thing I got, I pulled out, is this gaming fidget, and I'm going to, game, pass some social man. Yeah, I like that. So yeah, this is the first thing, which I think is really cool. And this is the second thing. It's a dimple, and that is a bag. This is a dimple that's like a controller. So you could just see this, and you could just watch them. Next thing is this puppet. I'm gonna see how satisfying it is on the other side. Yeah, I couldn't fit my Harry Potter joggers. Oh, I'll be wearing them right now. Ready? I actually really like that. Next is this squishy. It's literally just this. I got it literally when I was like 6 years old. Ish. What's that? I don't know what's that. That's going in there. Next thing I got is some tape. What the hell is tape doing in there? This, which I'm going to put some of these fidgets on my book bag. It's like a unicorn that's stained, It's fidgets. Talking about unicorns, I want to see how satisfying the puppet is on the other side. It's not the best. Well, it's actually really good, but better than some of the others. Some of the others better. Next up is this wacky tracking. It's tiny. It's a tiny wacky track. Next is this wacky tracky, which is a normal size wacky tracky. This is another wacky tracky. this, well, it's not really a Rubik's Cube, which it's, I think it's supposed to be, but it's not working out to be one. Well, all I know is that it is supposed to be a Rubik's Cube. Yeah, but look, you're supposed to turn it into shapes, but it won't work. And I've got this blue patch thing, which once I took my school trip, there's a unit, I literally bite it, look. It don't pop. Don't worry, I'll wash it. This puppet, let's see how satisfying it is. Pretty satisfying. This pop tube, let's see how satisfying this pop tube is. Look a little bit in there. That was yeah, I'm not going to show you all my pop tubes because, well, I'll show you one, but I won't use it. Like, I won't go unless a little tiny one. Actually, no. So these are all the pop tubes that I can find in here right now. Odd one out. Find the other one out. Ding ding ding. That's the other one out. This skateboard. You know, I stole it from my mother. Well, I didn't steal it. Technically, this wacky track. What colour is it gonna land on? What colour? What colour? Right, so guess the colour. I'm going to guess pink. Put your comment, well, just, you put a comment, so just say something. Just say it out loud, don't be afraid if you just, right, so I have blue, yellow, pink, which is my vote. Now, actually, I want to change it to green. Actually, no, wait. This is a practice round. Let's practice. So if it lands on blue, I am going to go pink again because look, it's opposite. Right. So say your votes and say right now. So let's spin. Let's spin. Pink. Yeah, that's it. Right, I'm gonna do it for it this time. I'm gonna do it for it this time. No, it's green. Green. So yeah, there's that fidget. There's this fidgeting. Puppet bracelet. Oh my god. A wacky track. A wacky track. Where's my other wacky track? Wait. Hannah. Yeah, I didn't know what it was. I got a nut right. I'm gonna show you all my fidget bracelets. I definitely didn't steal any from my place. It was all for fun, but it weren't. I stole this one. This one I got from Amazon. These are them. They got this office. I mean, all I'm gonna say is Miss B. Because I don't want to say a name. Excuse me, privacy. Them. Guess what, guys? I know a wacky track. Right, I'm gonna do a mystery pin. Oh, this. Yeah, I definitely didn't see it from my colours. It not watch. And learn how to play with these. Just watch and learn. Yeah, you watch and learn. Right, so I'm gonna do another mystery bit. Another wacky track. Right, I'm gonna do another mystery bit. Yes, it's just a softball thing that was Alice's, but I never stole it and then I made it into the next one. This, right, let's see how good it works. Excuse me, don't reveal how good you work. Right, let's get that in. Right, listen. Paper. Wait, how do you pop them on at once? Right, so this is base number 1, it's got nothing on. Base number 2, it's wearing off. Base number 3 is no face. Oh yeah, that's off the slime that got ruined. This is off the slime that got ruined, so I just kept it. Fidget spinner is like the tiniest little fidget spinner. Please, can't do big with this fidget spinner. Please say you got a tiny fidget spinner like that. You know, this came with something. This came in a fidget pack, like. But you really think this is a fidget? It's toy car. Oh, this cute. Let me try and solve this. You know, I don't know if it will work. You know, I don't even want to draw. I'll try and solve it because I don't know if it's gonna work. Is that? Oh, right, this one's good. This one's looking good. Right, I need the pink. Right, let's make this middle. Hey, well, let me make the middle. Right, let's make the middle. There we go. Right, pink coming. There. Good. Now this needs to go over to here. But, good question. How am I going to get it through there? Or we can try and solve this green one. Because it's actually really close to being, yeah, no chance. Oh, this one. Which, twisty turn. We're all done. Right, I'm going to mix it up. Right, so this is like the easiest Rubik's Cube to solve, you know. Right, let's try and solve it. So that side's already done. Bro, it's solved already, bro. This index. I forgot what they're called. Index key. Yo, yeah, it's this black one. Another one, which is this one. Right, we're coming down to the final thing. This, pop it. Right, let's see how satisfying it is. Don't be satisfaction. Yeah, you heard me. Yeah, 24. It's already 15 minutes in. Right, listen. All I've got to say, that is a very good one. Another one. Wait, another one. Yeah, we need to hear this. You know, this is already sounding like a good size. You never know, we might be on the wrong side. No, we won't. Oh yeah, I've had this ages. I've had the unicorn and this one ages, and then another one in there. Literally had them for so long. Some of these, I had all my fidgets for so long. I've had them for since like a year, you know. Oh. Right, we're coming down. This bottle fidget spinner. Right, last item is this. Well, got one more. Yeah, this is one that I've had for ages. Oh yeah, I love this one because... Wait, yeah, you'll find out. You'll find out. Don't worry, you'll find out. Right, so this is it now. Okay? Right, listen to the pops. Listen to these. Last item. Oh yeah, I got this Christmas off my dad. So basically, you click that. Let me show you. Oh. Right, let's start. Yeah. Right, let's put everything in that. I'm trying to film it to really short time. Yeah. So, stop, please, please, please. Next thing we're in the night. Next thing you know it. I'm gonna pop them there. Right, so now. Wait, let me sort this out. I don't want anything passed down or who's gonna come and get it. I don't want it to be suspicious. Right, now for the oh yeah. This is the best drawer ever. Is it what you could imagine? Right. So let's pull this out. Right, so this is broke, but we can manage it. Like, is that right? Oh yeah, my nanny will hate this. She hates frogs. Yeah, me don't really has. So that's happened at school. May see you now. Pop tube. No pop tube. No pop tube. No pop tube. There's the pop. Oh, no pop tube. So there's the pop tubes I can see right now. Oop. A little skinny one. Right, there's the old pop tubes. I could see for now. So that just it. Right, so these are all the ones I can see. These are just to put down. So let's get started. So I've got this green mesh marble, I think it's called. This one. Got this blue one. And this one. I have way more than that one. And then this is what I got for my birthday. And my brother's also got this for my birthday, but I don't know, I've got it. There's, oh my god. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. What the heck? He's big. He's dragging. He's big. He's chunky. So right like this. Oh, I heart these. Watch. Why are you not working? Work. Wait, you might need to watch out. Come on, little guy. Come on, little guy. You know what you're supposed to do. We just sit there and wait, you know. Sit there and wait. Come on. Imagine it exploded. I haven't got all day. Come on. Run up. Oh, it's coming, it's coming. It's gonna come. It's gonna come. So, there we go. That's why I'm doing the button. Hello. I'm so skinny. I'm happy. Hello. My finger literally got stuck. This side of you steal my brother's. Definitely not. Wink, wink, wink. Definitely not. Wink, 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 wink. This cute little dinosaur. Yeah, I should do a giveaway for it. This that belongs in something. So I'm gonna put this to a side and see. Yeah, it belongs to like a dog. Oh, that's that Louise curly bit. It's a basketball. Noodle. Haha. Alrighty, haha. Another one that's blue. Blue and green shrimp seen together, apparently. Oh. Hey, yo. What the Yeah, because you know what I'm talking about. How is this? Yeah, it comes to something, but I don't know what. Tines. The marble meshes. What the fudge? Here, I'm Mr. Dinosaur. Peekaboo. Oh, fuck. Hello. And you gotta look at her. What the? And you gotta look at her. Right, see how good this pop is? Yeah, it's not even good. It's a bath toy. There, that's why I've got a bath toy. I know bath toy. What has this got to do with fidgets? It's off Sheen. Yeah, what's that have to do? But I suppose you can go like, yeah, cool. It's not beautiful. Goes around it with these crazy sort of marble meshes. This didn't come with this because I broke this. I thought it come with it, but it didn't. It's a tent. Whoops. Is a thing that hanging out. Yeah, it's broke it even more. Strawberry that was pink. Would you believe it? Hello. Hello, hello. How the hell it broke? Oh yeah, I have this size 99, so I don't know how to work it. But yeah, someone gave it to me. I don't know how you disconnect them. But yeah, I don't want to try and do it because I'll break it. Yeah, 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 I thought it was more convenient, but I ain't. Yeah, So I think the video is great, but I'm gonna have a video, so but anyway, one day. Watermelon! Watermelon, we are best friends. Watermelon, we are best friends. Don't ask that what, don't ask what that was, cause I don't know. No marble mash. Yeah, someone was saying because of four marble makers. Marble mash. Hello. Hello. Hi, Squidward. Excuse me, stay still. Stay still. Stay still. Hello, I'm Squidward. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm not going to show that. That can be one of my new fidgets. Yeah, because it's a new fidget. Hello, I'm Mr. Fox. Oh my god. You need to. Well, we're going to see how good this pop is. Better than this one. Oh yeah, I didn't test out the dinosaur. Yeah, I didn't need to. Marble Man. Even my vending machine. Even my machine and got the name. Whatever the name is. Touchable. It's only on the 15. Right, I'm gonna have to hurry up this video. So I got this. Don't know why that's in there. This. Yeah, I'm sorry it's not coming. I got it hold at the end. This. I found everything that belongs in there. This. Right, let me just all of this in here. All of this and all of this. Oh yeah, that won't use up the battery. Yeah, but my flash on play won't work. Well, my one flash, I say. That's it. Because, you know, I wanted to, but it won't work. Sorry, I'll give you another call tomorrow in the morning. Hey, I'm sorry, but that's just because for one my mum wants a phone and it was Patrick Barlow. I don't have the screen, which was quickly. So I'm gonna put all this away and give you another. Sorry guys, but I gotta do what I gotta do. So I'm gonna end this video here. Bye. Bye.